Morning everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a vlog. I haven't done a vlog in a while. I think the last one I did it was during the fall time because I really don't do much besides just stay home. I'm just one of those people when I stay home most of the time, but when I do go out, I have a really good time. Anyways, I wanted to start off my morning with a little bit of a skin kind of routine and show you guys some products that I've been using lately. So the first thing that I have been loving actually is this cleanser. This is by Elemis. It's called the Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. This one I actually got from Glossybox. It came in one of those advent calendars during Christmas time and I really love them. This has been one of the things that I've been loving lately, and my skin every time I use this has been super clean. It leaves my skin very glowy, and I still feel like I do have to moisturize, but I do love that tightness and that glowiness that it makes my skin feel after I use this. The next product that I do want to use, which I'm quite excited for, is this product over here. This is by the brand Bondi Sands. They actually sent over their skincare that they came out with maybe 2 months ago. It's an everyday type of skin care, and if you guys do not know, Bondi Sands is pretty much a company that sells a lot of tanning products, tanning lotions, and this is kind of new for them, this skincare line. So I wanted to kind of give it a try and just give you guys my thoughts, how I feel about it. Do I recommend it? These are the products that they did send me. You can see it's a serum, moisturizer, and clay mask. I have tried the clay mask already. I have to say I do love it a lot. It does get rid of a lot of the impurities that you have in your skin. I feel anytime I use a clay mask or any type of mask, I feel like my pores look a little bit smaller. And my skin just feels really clean. So I love masks. Not everybody is into masks. I'm gonna go in with the serum, and I'm also gonna go in with the moisturizer. I'm gonna take these two out. So I have a combination skin. I feel more oily on my T-zone, and in the rest I'm actually pretty either normal to dry. So I'm gonna go in with the serum first. I already cleaned my face already with that marine cleanser that I showed you guys earlier. But I'm going to go in with the Hyaluronic Acid Serum, which contains 2% hyaluronic acid. It's supposed to be very hydrating. The only thing that I have to say about this, I'm not really a huge fan of these type of drugs. It kind of reminds me eye drops. It says 2 to 3 drops, so I'm going to just use 2 drops. And you can see it's quite clear. So I'm just going to use this all over, and I recommend using a serum even before you apply your moisturizer, because I feel like it just literally hydrates your skin. If you're one of those people that just go straight to moisturizers, then that's okay too. There's no problem with that. I just like to use a serum because I like the extra hydration. My skin literally absorbs this product super fast. It is kind of sticky at the beginning when you do use this, but afterwards it is kind of pretty dry. The name of this, it just goes so well with it because, to be honest, my skin literally soaked up all that serum, and I'm not quite sure. Now I'm kind of wondering whether all my serums that I do use, if they do the same thing, because I feel kind of the other serums, yes, they provide hydration, but I feel it just sits on top of my skin and never really feels like my skin soaks all of that up. So I have to keep using this. The next one I'm going to try is actually the Daydream Hydrating Whipped Moisturizer. My thoughts on this moisturizer, I would have to say that the scent is very mild to none. There is literally no scent with any of these products. But anyways, overall I feel like my skin does feel pretty hydrated. It's pretty good. It is one of those moisturizers that it's definitely for every day. It's definitely great if you are going to apply makeup afterwards. If you're interested in any of these two products, I will leave them down below in the description box. All right, she's waiting for me probably to go outside, so I'm gonna take her outside for a minute. It's actually pretty cold outside, so I'm gonna go back in, but I'm gonna leave her outside for just a minute. Okay, she does not want to go outside. I know you have to pee, silly. All right, so I'm gonna make myself some coffee, but I wanted to show you guys what creamer I use. I use the Coffee Mate by Nestle. It's the pumpkin spice. I'm not sure where I got this mug, so if you do want to know, I'm not sure, but I'll try to link it down below. I like to add a lot of creamer, as you can see. And this is the coffee maker by Ninja. It also has a frother as well on the side. So it's just super easy and fast. I think I made a lot of coffee today, but I'm just going to stir this a little bit. And I made myself some breakfast too. I can't wait to drink this. This is my breakfast. So I'm having a little bit of toast, eggs, and I put avocado as well, which is, I like smush it. And I don't know how I managed to burn my toast, but whatever. I do like to put a little bit of the pepper flakes. It kind of adds a little kick of spice, but this has been like my daily breakfast that I've been like really into every morning. It just helps me start my day, just kickstart my day. And also like I like to also have this even like before I go work out. I'm gonna have my coffee and my breakfast, and then I'll show you guys like my full makeup tutorial. So we're gonna go with the Camo CC Cream by e.l.f. This one's in the shade Light to 80 Neutral. So if you're like an NC 40 or an NC 42, I think that's gonna work. So I literally almost forgot to put primer on my face, which I should have like really not forget, because it's so important to put primer so that way your pores are not so visible. I just used the All Nighter face primer by Urban Decay. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. CC. So this one really matches my skin tone, you guys, and you don't have to use a lot either. Like I said, it's like really a full coverage makeup foundation. Even though it says it's CC cream, it's definitely more of like a full coverage type of foundation. So now I'm going to go in with the same Revlon concealer, but this one's actually in the shade 75, which is going to be used more as a contour. So we're going to put this here. I usually just applied there, a little bit here, here, and here. Okay, this one's by MAC. It's the brush 109, and I just use this as like a brush to blend in my contour. This is just gonna bring a little bit of like color to your face, and it's gonna add a little bit more dimension. Okay, so I changed the scenery here and I turned on my light because the lighting here is not that good right now. I'm gonna go in with these lashes from Kiss, and these are the ones that I found at Walmart yesterday. These are the So Wispy ones, and if you're wondering what I actually put on my blush, I did use the Merit Mood blush. This is like a cream blush. I wasn't really a fan of cream blushes, but I really do like these. They're super nice, and I use like a stippling brush like this to give me more control of like where I'm putting it, because I feel like if you use it like directly to your face, you're gonna get like a lot of product. Going back to the lashes, I am gonna use the Strip Lash Adhesive. This one's a quick set, which is awesome because it literally sets your lashes so fast. So I'm going to go in and do my lips now. I'm going to use the Revlon Color Stay Longwear Lip Liner, and I believe this one's in the shade Nude. And I'm just going to apply and line my lips with this. Now I'm going to go in with the Revlon Matte Lip Crayon. It's like a natural kind of like lip color type of nude. It matches my lip color really good, so I really like this one. I'm gonna leave my lower lashes with no mascara, even though it kind of looks weird with no mascara, but actually I do like the no mascara underneath the eyes. Look a little more natural. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with the Revlon Rose Glow Mist, and we're gonna apply this all over. So as it's setting, you guys, I can already tell like my skin looks really glowy, which I am actually really impressed with this. So the hype is really good. This one actually does work. So this is definitely going to go right by my vanity where I keep all my favorite products. So I'm going to keep that there. Obviously, when you do spray this, you can't really choose where it goes. So if you don't want kind of like that glow on your T-zone, you can go with a powder, which I'm going to do now because I don't like my nose to be glowy. I like it to be like matte. So I'm just going to go in with the powder and just mattify that. You do get a natural highlighted look on your cheeks, and that's that. So it's a really good trick. Okay, so this is my outfit. Just some sweats, very casual, some sneakers. I will be taking my dogs out also for a walk, but I have to stop by this post office first. If you're wondering where I did get this two sets, actually from Aritzia. I did get it a while back. I just decided to wear it today because it is kind of chilly outside. So I just decided to wear these sweats. Plus, they're super comfortable also, and I love that cropped look also. So they're a little bit pricey, but their quality is amazing. So I'll link the website down below if you guys are interested in their sweats. But I want to show you guys my makeup in the light. Super nice. I really do like the glow mist that I use. So I'm back and I did end up getting a package. This one is called the Highlight Portable Garment Steamer. It's supposed to like be great for ironing your clothes but without using that big bulky item. I've been wanting a steamer for my clothes for a while now because I used to have this other one from Home Goods that I bought a while back, and I ended up throwing it away because it just didn't work out and it wasn't really good. It's portable too, so you can take it with you anywhere around the house. So if you need to go literally downstairs by your laundry and steam some of your laundry, you can do that. I'm sure you can also take this on vacation if you're planning on going somewhere. So I'm done pretty much steaming the shirt, but you can see that's wrinkle free on this side. So I'm just gonna finish the rest of it. All right guys, so I'm doing a little change of scenery because the lighting in this house, it literally feels like dark all the time. So the lighting here is, it's not bad, but it's not the greatest. So I did a little change of scenery in my bedroom. That's where we're at right now. I went to Walmart yesterday and I decided to buy a couple things. You know, I wanted to do like a video, come shop with me, so I will link it up here if you guys haven't watched that one. So I ended up buying this dress. It's so pretty. It's like a floral type of dress, and I figure I'll wear this maybe for Easter or for a wedding. It has also like a mesh, and it's a double lined, so it's not going to be see-through, but it's super cute if you wear it like off the shoulder. And it was only $20, so it's pretty affordable actually. And then the other thing I did end up getting was this nice top. I feel like this is so cute, from the brand No Boundaries, and I got mine in a size medium. And I figure, you know what, I like that it's cropped. Oh, and then the next one, you guys, that I did end up picking up was this Swimsuit Cover-Up. I know it looks really ugly right now because I probably need to steam it, but it has like a really cute tie on the side. You can put this over your bathing suit and just walk around. It's not like a cover-up where it's like a cardigan cover-up. It's more like a dress type of cover-up. So that is why I bought it, and I really like it. So it's more like a see-through type of linen type of dress, and I can't wait to wear it for this summer. I want to show you my room because I'm planning on making a little of changes here because I feel like my walls are kind of like a grayish color, and I kind of want to maybe like, I don't know, paint it white, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I should. I don't know. It's just so much work painting also. Like, I would have to get somebody to probably paint it. I mean, I could do it myself, but I'm a shorty, so I don't think I can reach all the way up there, even with a ladder. But I did buy some things from Target like a while back, and I've been like using their linen. It's super good, and I feel like they're super affordable too. They're not too expensive. And then I did end up just recently getting these pillowcases that is from Etsy. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in it, but they're really nice, and they kind of have like that linen feel also. And I just thought it just makes it like a little bit different. I am going to end up changing my curtains to a more like linen type of look. So this will be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next time.